starting Spanish to fluency. I had been studying Spanish on Duolingo for maybe 10 minutes a day for about 3 months. Other than that, I had no Spanish at all. I have now been studying Spanish for 11 weeks with this program, and I couldn't be happier. With this program, 4 days a week for an hour a day, I can give and receive directions in a taxi, at the mall. I can go to restaurants and I can read the menu. I can understand how food is prepared and what I'm reading. I can order in Spanish. I can go grocery shopping or to the mall, and I can understand what I'm looking at, and I can read the ingredients and things. I can ask about what I'm seeing. I can understand the names of different things, and I can ask for, let's say, I want apples. I can ask, ¿Dónde es las manzanas? I can understand the checkout girl, although I still have trouble with higher numbers. I understand money, I understand time. And probably the best part is I can engage in basic conversations with people. So I went shopping at the Mercado Central earlier this week with a friend, and we sat and had cafe for about 45 minutes, and the conversation was in the present tense, and we occasionally had to pull out Google Translate, but we were able to talk about family and about work and about hobbies and about our hometowns, and we're able to keep a conversation going for about 45 minutes about all of those things. Now, it was all in the present tense, and it was partially charades and partially using Google, but to be able to do that after 11 weeks, I couldn't be happier. So I highly recommend this program. It's a very good program. It uses a combination of techniques and strategies. The teachers are wonderful. Highly recommend. Thank you.